Hello, this is Stormy Skog with Holiday Eve's Lighting and Accessories. I have never done a Facebook Live for my Holiday Eve's Lighting and Accessories company, but I wanted to get online and share with as many people as possible our product. It's a patent pending lighting clip and a patent pending ground stake and a patent pending snow stake. We started our business back in 2018, and it has just done very well because we stand by our product and we use the highest grade of materials that we possibly can as professionals. And I also manufacture and ship all of my products from here in Texas. So it's all USA made, manufactured, and shipped. So there's no waiting for products from China. There's no discrepancies with the materials and the quality of the products. I don't choose to have our material sit on shelves. I make them fresh every season. So I just like to be able to manufacture the material, package it, and then ship it out right away. So I'm going to go ahead and just introduce you to the first product that we came out with, which is patent pending. It is my Halo Holiday lighting clip. It is the talk of the town, to say. We have gone through a couple different iterations of this clip, but we have now finalized this clip last season, which we named it the Enhanced Halo Holiday Clip. And it is a top-notch professional grade tool for professionals out there that are installing lights throughout the season. We have reinforced our clip down here in the base, and then also around the sides and the hammer part, so that it's very sturdy. You can't shake this thing off if you wanted to. It's that sturdy. So when it grabs a hold of the shingles or tile roofs, it stays put. It doesn't go anywhere. And that you can use them season after season. What I love about our clips is that when you put them on the bulb, you simply just slide it over, and then I like to get it right underneath that little, I can hear it, but I like to get it around that thing. So it is secure. It will not come apart. It doesn't come undone. They work with the E16 base sockets. They work on gutters and shingles, and they work with C7 and C9 bulbs. And I have had so many customers that love this product because they get to use it year after year. We developed this product because we were so sick of the clips that, I'm not going to say names, but the clips that they were so brittle that they would break. As soon as you would pull down your lights, then the clips were flying left and right. They were staying on top of the roof. They were getting into the gutters. They were getting into flower beds. They were clogging drains. So we decided to design a clip that does not do that. And we have done it very successfully. And what I like about our clip is that it's not sandwiched in between the bulb and the socket. It stays around the base, so that if for any reason you need to change the bulb, say it burns out, or your customer wants you to change the bulb because it's a different season, or they want to root for their favorite football team or something like that, all you have to do is swap out the bulb. It's just simple to take the bulb out and put it back in. You're not fussing with a clip that you're having to play with. Your hands are cold. It's cold outside. You just want to get it done. So anyway, on the back side of our clip, we have our patent pending and made in USA written on the underside, which is protruded so that it has some friction, so that if you do attach it to a smooth surface, it's not going to slide as easily. In fact, speaking of that, I have a customer that has our product on their roof year-round here in Texas. I have several of them, but this one of them reached out to me not too long ago and said, I am so thankful for this product. We just had a crazy hailstorm out here, and the light bulbs broke, but not the clips. The clips still stayed on. So that was a hurrah, hurrah moment for me. It's like, yes, that's exactly what we intended our clip to do, is to stay put until it's time to come down. So that's the clip, and they are amazing. So that's the clip. And then the packaging on this is 100 per bag, or a box of 500, or a box of 1,000. So we can accommodate any quantity needed at any time. I just need to have some time to obviously manufacture them because I don't have products sit on the shelf. So while I get these huge orders in, as more come in, it takes a little bit of time. But about our manufacturer, it's here in Texas, and it is ISO certified. And that's a great thing for you, and it's a great thing for me, because we are both ensured that what you pay for is what you get. So there is a check sheet that has my material that I use, that I've purchased, that I've got, and it goes in that machine every single time. There's a checklist from the time that machine starts up, with the temperatures and all of the process that goes into making these products. It is monitored. It is not turned on, left, come back, just package them and then ship them. It is something that is watched, and it goes through a huge checklist of quality control items. So that gives me comfort, and that allows me to be able to back my product. So that's the clip. And if you have to take the clip off for some reason, you just twist it, and then you can pull it off. But it's not that easy. When they're latched, they're latched. But when it's time to take it off, if you need to, you just twist it, and it can come off. Onto our first steak that we had is the Halo Holiday ground steak. And it's 4 1/4 inches. It's the little guy that works fantastic here in Texas because we don't get much snow. But it's also made with the exact same material. We just added green to it so that it matches the wire of the string. So we just try to keep it the same color. And here in Texas, we still do have a little bit of grass, so it's nice that they're green. And what I like about our steaks is that they don't chew up the wire as some products do. When you install our steaks, again, it goes around the socket just like the clips. But as you can see, our clip does not touch the wire. It is not creating friction on the wire where it chews it up, and then you end up with a short. And then you're getting a phone call because your lights are out. And then you got to find out where it is, and then you got to redo the wire, and then replace the steak. So you don't have that problem with the Halo steaks. And they are a great way to give your customer or your house the nice pop, the finished look, to make the investment of your lighting installs that people pay for really show. It showcases their house. It showcases their estate. It's just a beautiful finishing touch to have on a project. And then lastly, I'm so excited because I get to formally introduce the 12-inch Halo Holiday Snow Steak. So all of you who have been waiting and asking for this 12-inch snow steak, I have it now. And I'll give you a quick little demonstration on this guy too. So here he is. Same design as the ground steak. You just pinch it. You can hear how solid it is. They don't come off. They don't come off. And you can use them season after season. So here's the grounds, or the snow stake. So for all of you people who are on the East Coast and places where there's a lot of snow, this guy will be your buddy. And for all the warmer places, Texas and Arizona, and all the warmer places that don't get any snow, these little guys will be your friend. So here's the two stakes side by side. I think you can see them. And then the clip. So that's it. These are the three products that I have. Again, they're patent pending. They're all made here in the USA, and they are packaged and shipped from here in the USA. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I have a Facebook page called Holiday Eaves, and that's spelled EAVES, Lighting and Accessories. My personal Facebook page is Stormy Skogg, SKOGG, and I'm happy to answer any questions that you would like. If you've placed your orders, great. That's a wonderful thing because I can get those out. I just got a massive order in for somebody that wanted 500,000 clips, and that's going to take me probably a week to manufacture, and then it'll be out the door. But I need to make sure that anybody who has large orders or expecting to place a large order, please let me know sooner than later so that I can make sure to have the material all ready and the packaging all ready. You let me know how you want it packaged, and we will accommodate your requests. That's the best way to do it. So you're not just wondering if your product is going to be able to ship on time, arrive on time. And if you get your products placed earlier, or your orders placed earlier, then we can get them done, and then you don't have to fight the craziness of the shipping. And if for some reason that you want to place your order now, but you don't have the space for it, that's okay. I can offer you free of charge a holding spot for your product until you need it shipped. So that's just another perk that we can help you with if you don't have the space for it. I think that's it. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Thank you so much for watching and listening and trying our products if you haven't. And for my return customers, thank you so much for being loyal to me and giving me the repeat business. It's a woman-owned business that we've been around since 2018, and I'm so grateful for the product that I have and the ability to have installers be able to install more each year, because they're saying that our products allow them to save up to 50% of their install time and 50% of their uninstall time. So that's wonderful, because the more houses you can do, the more money you make. And you're not having to go back because you've got an unhappy customer saying, there's clips everywhere, or there's stakes everywhere. It's all clean. It's clean. It's a no fuss clip. So anyway, I'll quit talking, but you all, I hope you all like my snow. I have this little feature on snow to kind of make it as wintry as I possibly could to make it fun. But anyway, thank you so much. And if I don't see you guys again on live, on Facebook, have a safe and happy holiday season.